Hi, my name is Edith, and in this video I'm going to show you how to send availability summary emails. The easiest way to fill empty slots is to let your clients know about them. With availability summary, set it up once, and we'll automatically email your clients with your upcoming availability. To do so, go to Communication and click on Availability Summary from the left menu. Here, activate your availability summary by toggling on this option located on the top right corner of your screen. Choose if you want the email to be sent every Sunday, every second Sunday, or the first Sunday of every month. Select the practitioners whose available time slots you'll want to show. Click on the Edit Design button to write and design your email. Once in Edit Design, you can do the following. You can upload or search for a cover photo. You can select a background color and add a custom message for your clients. Clients can unsubscribe from these availability summary emails if they prefer, but this only stops availability updates. They'll still receive your other emails. You can also manage each client's email preference in their client file under the communication section located at the bottom of the page. And that's how you send availability summary emails. If you have more questions, don't hesitate to reach out to support@clinicsense.com. Have a lovely day.